I think he's a very passionate guy. He has the charisma, and he has a presence. When he talks, yeah, you feel his presence.
Kayode doesn't teach just about like business and entrepreneurship, but he teaches about life lessons for the future.
Really, really good body language and powerful messages.
He has that kind of energy that like draws you in and wants to get involved.
This is someone I want to learn from.
He's obviously an inspiration to young people, and he was fantastic.
He allowed me to open up my mind to the possibility that maybe I could be the one doing the employing today. So I was grateful for that.
I don't even know, it's just the feeling in your heart.